Hello students, in this video we will talk about how to find out highest point or spot height in topo sheet. First of all, how to height shown on map. Basically, there are three main methods of showing height on map. That are, first is spot height. Spot height shown on a map with a one dot or with numbers. Second is triangulated height, that is shown with a triangle and with any number. Third is benchmark and with any number. So these are the main method to show the height on topo sheet. Spot height is a number in the topographic maps representing the height above the sea level. It is generally found on maps which shows the height of particular hills or mountains. So let's find the highest point on topo sheet. So we can find the highest point with two methods. First of all, we can search highest point to the whole sheet. First we will see the whole sheet and find the highest point. Second is, that is the easiest method, we can see the contour lines. Where are the contour lines? There we can find the highest point easily, because the contour lines shows the highest areas. So here we can see the many contour lines. Let's find the highest point. So there are many contour lines which are very close to each others, and they are shows the steeper areas and the more high points. But the some contour lines that is very few and very wide spread, so it shows the some plain areas like this. And here we can see that 348. In between of the contour lines you can see the one circle. Let me show with the zoom. Okay, so here is 348, and this spot heights shows the height of this mountain, and this circle shows the peak of the mountain. But we have to search more high points, or we will see the more contour lines which are very close to each other. Here we can see 361, because there the contour lines are more close to each other, so the height of the mountain is more here. And search more, we can see the more highest point here, and there are so many spot heights we can see, like 329, okay, and 348, 294, and here is we can see the 365. So we can see that the 365 numbers are bigger than the 361. So we can say this is the highest point. This spot height is the highest point in this topo sheet, because rest of the spot heights are smaller than this spot height 365. So we will take this as a highest point in this topo sheet. Sometimes in the board questions they ask about the find out the 4-figure or 6-figure grid reference of the spot height. So how to find the 4-figure and the 6-figure grid reference, you can watch my video that is already uploaded, and the link of that video is already given in this video's descriptions. So hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Stay safe, stay healthy.